Hello everyone, it's Tammy with Southern Angels Boutique. I wanted to share my Mother's Day card that I made. I just got finished with it and it's really late. So before I went to bed, I wanted to just share this with you. This is what it looks like. I'm sorry, the lighting's really bad. This is the outside of it. Hope y'all can see it. I'm going to take pictures and put them on Instagram so you can see better. This is just a real quick video. And I don't have really anything on the inside yet. I just stamped Happy Mother's Day. I wish I had Mother's Day stamp, but I just kind of made a makeshift one. So it didn't stamp out real well, but I did the best I could. So, but I like the outside. I thought that turned out real pretty, where I made the wreath out of the flowers. And I don't know if you can see the sparkle, but I added some sparkle to the flowers. So, but that's what it looks like. I just wanted it kind of simple, kind of shabby chic looking and simple. And then I'm going to let my husband, because it's from both of us, I'm going to let him fill out something. I've already got something for us to fill out on the inside. I'll let him write it in there before we give it to her. So that's all. I just wanted to real quick show y'all that. And y'all can let me know what you think down below. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day and have a happy Mother's Day.